you have 10,000 pesos to spoil yourself, what would you spend?
Probably makeup because I love makeup and most. Wait, can I speak vernacular?
Can you speak English?
English. Oh, okay. I'm gonna spend it on makeup because I love makeup and every day I use makeup, so it I use it every day. So wait, naging wait, yeah, makeup, food, and invest it in a business, or like I'm gonna make my own business to make money in that 10,000 pesos.
Ah, I see.
Video good thing.
Okay. If you have 10,000 pesos to spend to spoil yourself, okay, what would you want to spend? So I would say probably I would spend that amount of money first to have a, a property or a land, of course, to have it to be titled and to be named for me, and then I would have to build my own house or my home. Then of course to spoil not just me but my loved ones, my family, of course. I see. Okay. If you go for a first date, who do you think should pay the bill?
The man, of course. Actually, it depends on who asked first, who asked for the date. So, so that's it.
So if you dated a foreigner, would you expect him also to pay the bill or do a split?
Yeah, I think split because if I think you should pay in split bill because it's your own responsibility and what you're eating or what you bought, what you're buying.
So you split with a foreigner. How about the Filipino?
When a Filipino, yeah, split also because as what I've said, it's your responsibility on what you're eating or what you bought.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for being candid to
Yeah.
Candid Filipina. So, here. And the first date, who should gonna pay? I would say both parties. So it cannot be with one sided only. It should be the both who is who's in the dating stage. So it would be the boy and the girl should pay the expense of their date. Okay. If it's foreigner, if it's you dating a foreigner, would you do split also? Of course, it doesn't matter to their ethnicity or to their status in life. So I would be also responsible to pay my own check. Ah, I see. That's. Thank you for being candid to the Candid Filipina. Bye.